Good evening, traders. Today is Friday. It's August 14th. And as usual, before I start, here is the usual disclaimer. So any comments made during this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only and should to illustrate basically how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like everyone else. Once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So that said, here's the economic calendar. In fact, they've already released the high impact news releases, which are the core retail sales and also the retail sales. But look at this, we have a mixed results here. We have a positive for the core retail sales, but the actual retail sales was negative. And if you look at, let me see if I can get my chart here. So that's what happened at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. here in Manila. It's going to be the preliminary of the UOM consumer sentiment, basically what it is. It's really just medium impact, so I don't foresee any basically impact in that. So here is the impact of what we were just talking about. This was at, I believe, was at 8:30. No, that was before. So here's your 8:30 news right here. If I can get 8:30 right here. So really nothing. It's just that blip going up and that's it. But we had a big basically decrease. I don't know what that was from during the overnight session. And now we're trying to recover from that basic correction. So if I drew a Fibonacci retracement here, oops, right here from the high, right? From the high to the low. You see, we're in the retracement zone right now. Also, as you can see, we're also by the VWAP as well as the value area. Value area is right here. As you can see, here's the value area high up here, value area low here, and here's the point of control. So basically, what the value area is, basically 70% of all, this is during the overnight session, of all volume was done in this area. As you can see, that's where it's at right now. Okay, and also it coincides basically the retrace zone from the for the this down dip here. So we'll see if it's gonna continue up, because right now it's really, we don't know where it's trying to go. Hit a dip here. Now we have basically up momentum, and if we look at that, that's basically the reverse would be going like this. Let's say from here to here. Look at this. Here's basically the retracement zone right here. It's right down here. So we're both in both the retracement zones. So we'll see what happens here. It may just range here for some time here. We'll see what happens. If it's going to break up, or it's going to go to the upside, or it's going to go to the downside. So while we're doing that, let's look at the that's the macro chart. Okay, so let's look at the micro chart, and I'd rather look at this where we have more of the what I call the ETH here. It's basically electronic trading hours, which is basically the overnight session. Overnight session here is the value area. Is basically, you can see it right here from here to here, and the VWAP is right here. It's going right across, so that's where we are. We're at the VWAP. So basically, when you're right here at the VWAP, and we just wait till it, and you can tell here, it's basically, there's no momentum. If I just draw a rectangle here right now, this is where your area is right now, where we're just there, very tight range. Now if I draw how many points that is, 7. You can scale up, but you know, maybe less than 2 points on that, but we'll see what's happening right now. Momentum right now, immediate momentum is up, and in fact, we'll see if it's going to break out of this this range right now. Okay, so with that said, the overnight session I made around 300, and it's basically on my other chart over there. So I'm gonna put this on mute, and I have a guest here also with another student. She'll basically watching my trades, and I'm gonna put this in mute. My goal, I don't know if it's gonna be in mute, but my goal right now, again, is like last night, trading 2 contracts. My goal is between $200 to $300. Okay, trading 2 contracts. So let's see if I can get my. Yeah, I was having some connection issues here. Here we are. So let me see here. Yeah, I was having some connection issues here. Yeah, there we are. So this is on a demo. In fact, with the Earn to Trade platform, I was having connection issues. So I'm still trying to resolve that. So we'll see what happens during the course of this evening. So again, trading or trying to trade 2 contracts here, and right now we're still in this range right now. So we'll wait for see what happens here, and I'll put myself out of here, and we'll see. I'll just wait if it breaks up. Okay. Hey, Kat, narinig mo ko?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
So you can see this. It's just in a range. I don't want to be messing around with that right now. So, but nakikita mo yung Congressor, di ba? Nakikita mo?
Yes.
Yeah. To just focus on that. So it's not. I just have this other ones. These are what we call VWAP. Let's call it deviation levels, which I actually works. It's more advanced. So if you know what the deviation levels are, it's actually pretty good.
Nice.
So you can see really no momentum either way, as you can see by the MACD. It's below the +3. So, oops. So you just want to see if it's going to break out of this zone for a minute. Again, when we're usually in this value area, you can see here, here's the value is high here in the low, we're in the low here. So tendency, tendency is to try to hit this POC and test that POC and then come back down. So we'll see.
Okay.
So usually when it opens, the market opens within the value area. That means most of the time it's going to be trading within this whole value area. But this is just based on the overnight. This is basically based on the overnight session. What happened? Now I have another chart here that's showing more of the intraday. So now it's plotting the intraday value area. As you can see, it's very tight. In fact, that value area, what is our, yeah, that value area is pretty, it's almost like a channel. So you're looking maybe what, 4.5, that's really tight. Looks like we're getting a break up here to the upside.
What is this chart again, Dom? Ito, intraday, right?
Yeah, it's RTH.
Okay.
RTH. And this is more of the, oops, wrong one. And this is the ETH, or electronic trading hours. The RTH, what I showed you before, that's regular trading hours, meaning the intraday, meaning the morning session, or the whole day from 9:30 Eastern until 4 p.m. Eastern. So right now, again, we're still.
I was looking at the chart yesterday at saka since last week. Parang ang pangit nung volatility niya from 9:30 around 11.
Right, because first of all, it's summer session or summer season in the state, and usually the summer season, there's a lot of traders who go on vacation, so that's why it's low liquidity or low volatility, and that's the reason why. That's why if I'm going to do it now, I'd probably scalp for maybe 6 ticks. Depending on if I see any volatility. Right now, see, even though we're above the plus 30 right now, it's still lacking volatility, right? Oh, dumidikit yung fill and mid-band. Wala.
I forgot it's summer. Kaya pala, ang daming on vacation sa office din. And I have a freer na.
Oh, talaga?
Free.
So wait.
I'm free right now.
Talaga, daming
Kunti lang yung meetings tsaka tasks for this week up until last week as well.
Yeah, that's why they're mostly on vacation right now. Bakasyon na. Summer vacation. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna put this there. There we are. So now it's going to be going up and down here. We'll see it's going to break out. And you can notice it's right at the VWAP as well. Right in the middle of the VWAP. Okay, we get some sort of momentum on the downside here. Maybe we can scale up maybe 6-6. So I usually do this, is basically do this. Even though the fill line is flat, really no momentum, but according to the MACD, we have some momentum. This is more an advanced trade right here. Let's see here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay.
Stop fill.
Even though that was we were below the -3, that's fine. It's only 5 ticks. Again, we're bouncing off. See this? We're bouncing off the.
Order submitted.
Long question.
Hmm.
Yung retracement level mo, those are the pink lines, is it?
No. Wala dito ang retracement level. This pink line is basically the bottom of the value area. The retracement level is basically on this one. Right there. See?
Ayan. Okay.
So we're basically in the middle of it. So we didn't get filled in because it was too far. But my pending order is automatically set on +1, so it just adjusts it automatically. But it looks like this is more, looks like it's setting up for an advanced trade right here. In fact, it is. 1, 2.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm not going to change that. I'll just leave it there. You can see there's zone on the MACD on the BB there. We're now in the bottom channel of the BB. However, we're well above the +3, so momentum is strong to the upside. Our bandwidth is 8 points, so that we leave it at 5 ticks, the stop loss.
Order filled.
It might overrun here. The most. This one here.
Target filled.
And here we got the 2 points.
Here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic. Mix in the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Let's go.
We're still above the +3. see if we can get a push up here. That's what we need right there. Yeah, it's dying. Put this at 2 then. 64, 66, and 4. Just all of a sudden the volatility just died.
Stop build.
Yeah, see that it just died. So if you look at this, yeah. We're down 62. It's not that bad. That just died.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Stop fill.
See, look at that. It just messing with it. So now it's going to hit that. So now we're up 50. Immediate momentum is down. So we can just go maybe 6 to 8 ticks. That's where it looks like it's going. It can't go more than that. Here's basically our range right now. Right here. See, look at this. Like I said, we
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
there. We actually reached our goal. Even though it's in a tight market, we still made a 250. We had approximately 2 losses. Oh, this is a minor one. Yeah, this doesn't count as a loss because we won 100. So our net there is around 63.50. Yeah, 63.50, around there. This was the net here. We lost just that one. The rest we won. Now, is this setting up? This might be setting up, but we'll see. We can take another.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm only taking 6 ticks out of this. We'll see if it's gonna. Okay, we have some high volume. You see this? If we get above the 0 line here. Okay, we're above. So I'm gonna close this. Wait, hold on.
Order filled. Order submitted.
wait on other people to be what you've been called to be. You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run, but I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you know when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Again, no volume. Down 125. It's just going up and down this zone right here. So probably set up right here for the last trade.
Order submitted.
Yeah.
Order filled. Stop filled.
They're just bringing this up. Okay, this one I'm definitely gonna.
submitted. Order filled.
They're just bringing this up. This is going up and down this channel.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them.
That's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
Target filled.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Target filled.
You're up 25. So the commissions are probably down. I didn't know we had that.
Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
The commissions, how many is that? 16, 8 trades.
Order submitted.
We're in a really tight channel. Oops. It's only 7.5 points. So we can get maybe 6 ticks out of here.
Target filled.
Yeah. So at 175. Maybe one more trade and we're done.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target found. Target found.
There. 350. That's above our take profit. So with that, I am done for the evening. I don't know if again, our gross is 350, I believe, with commissions. It's around 378. 10 trillion. 20. Minus, I think that's what it is. So it's 274. We still got our profit goal set between 200 to 300. So that said, I will end it, and hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe, and God bless. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.